Hello again. Happy 4th of July. I'm on a roll. This is my second video of the day. If you just watched my last video on M1 Finance, my taxable account, you know that this is basically, haven't made any videos in about 2 months based on my schedule and how busy I've been with different things going on. I'm not going to get into it on this video, but if you want to check that out, go check out my previous video, M1 Finance monthly June update, where I go over M1 Finance and kind of my life updates in general as well. So let's get right into this account. This one, it will be my M1 Finance Roth IRA account that I transferred over to M1 Finance about 3 months ago. Yeah, so I've had a lot of questions about this one, where I transferred it from, and I transferred my Roth account from TD Ameritrade is where I had it. This Roth account, I've only been with the Roth. This is going on my 3rd year with Roth. I didn't start it early like you should. For those of you who don't know, IRAs, especially the Roth ones, are one of the best investments you can have, especially the way I'm doing it. If you can start this early where you're doing dividend investment growth over the long term in your 401k, it is, in my opinion, one of the best ways to invest, because this is all it's money that's already been taxed. So when you take this money out, you're not being taxed at all. So you can grow your account to whatever you can grow it to, and you're going to take it out tax-free. That's why I think dividend investing, especially in a Roth account, is a very good way to go. I'm creating all this passive income. You know, the only drawback is I can't touch this passive income until, without penalties, until I'm 59 and a half years old. But, like I said, it is just the best investments to go to do, and I highly recommend it, and get started now. Don't delay like I did on the Roth. So let's get into the account. Overall account is up $1,300 in this account. Of that, $450 is dividend income, and that's based over 3 months, a little over 3 months. So as you can see, this account I'm keeping very simple. Like my taxable account, I have like 60 stocks in there, and it's just a lot of smaller dividend. This one I break it down into 2 areas: monthly dividends and quarterly dividends. Everyone in this account is a dividend payer, whereas my taxable account is about 95% dividend payers and some growth stocks. So the month in general, very good month, almost 5%. My taxable account was like almost 8%. So this one is at a slower pace, just because I keep it simple and I don't have very many stocks in there. So if you're having one bad performer, it can affect your overall count much more. So like I said, another account, M1 Finance is, commission-free way to invest in the stock market at your own pace. They are having a July promotion. You receive $20 if you deposit at least $100 in your account. So that's a free 20%. Sorry, I just had a phone call. Turned it off. I highly recommend it. Just do your own due diligence before you invest. I appreciate if you are interested, use my link. I'll get $20 as well, so we'll both win-win. But either way, that's not the point of these videos. Obviously, $20 is not going to, make or break me either way. And my overall goal is to help you find the investments that work best for you either way, if I get $20 out of it or not. I'm just here to help you and to help me as well, as far as I like to document what I'm doing so I can see over time on what strategies I need to do to make it a better investment overall. So I'll go into the holdings I have. Like I said, this one I keep very simple. I have 4 quarterlies, which are McDonald's, Starbucks, Coca Cola, and AT&T, and the rest are monthlies. Stag, Western Asset Mortgage, Cornerstone Strategic, Pembina Pipeline, Guggenheim, and Realty Income Corp. Activity, I'm doing $200 a week on Wednesdays into this one, and Roth IRA, you do cap out, so you can only invest up to the maximum per year, and just because it is a tax-free way, they do cap it. But over a course of 20-30 years, a Roth IRA, if done right, will be well worth the investment. So I'm going to keep it fairly short on this one. And if you have any specific questions on the IRA or M1 Finance in general, leave a comment below. Otherwise, I'm going to go on to update number 3 in the next video, which will be Fundrise, which is a real estate crowdfunding platform. So that will be my 3rd update in the day. So I'm trying to make up for lost time for no updates really in the last few months. So take care. I appreciate all the support. Happy investing out there. Bye.